Hi, this is the sample report which is submitted to SCRB. So this report is available online. You can check that. Okay. So this report is submitted during 2011, and you can see this is a sample report. I'm going to tell you like what are the content which you have to keep it in your SCRB report. So this is the very first page. Okay, this is the project front page. And if you just scroll down, you can see that this is the project completion report. They have given the information about the college and the project or research title, about the principal investigator and about the co-investigator, so and wildlife institute, so where they have did it. Okay, this is submitted, and the researcher, who are all the researchers here. So these two are the researchers, and this is the principal investigator. In some research funding for some other thing, you have to submit about the co-investigator as well, principal investigator and the co-investigator. So that is what here they are talking about the researchers. Okay, and this is from Wildlife Institute of India. And when did you submitted this? Okay, September 2016. So you can see here you have to tell about the photo credits. If you have any copyright image, then you have to give a proper credits to that particular image. So keep that in mind. You have to give a proper credits and citations. Next one is the content. This is the content page, where this is about the project summary, about the project title, project investigators, implementing institution, date of commencement, planned date of completion, actual date of completion, approved objectives of the proposal, deviation from the original objectives, and details of the experiment work. So until this, you can see that this is completely about the project. Okay, whatever they have did it, this is about the project summary. Okay, and here is what exactly your project content is going to come. Like you have to tell about the general introduction, and then what are the material and methods you have used it. Material and methods in the sense, if you are doing your computer science project, then from where you have collected the data. Okay, so how you have pre-processed the data, how you use the data, so what are the various methods you have collected. So all these things you have to give it here. And then the results, so in which, whether you have created your own tool in order to find the solution, or else you have used an existing tool like MATLAB or R, Python, anything else to find the results. So this is about the results and solutions. So what are the results you have? Finally, you have to give a proper conclusion. References, if anything, for example, if you have collected the data through a survey. Okay, so you have to attach the survey form, and anything else which you have to tell, like abbreviation. So whatever is there, no, you have to just give it properly. Okay, so this is what the complete content, table of content, which is here. Okay, and now if you scroll down, you can see the acknowledgement, a proper acknowledgement, and about the project summary. So project summary is about your entire project summary. It's not you should not tell about introduction specifically or your methodology. So you have to summarize the complete project and explain about it. Okay, so you can see that it nearly had 3 pages or 4 pages. And project completion report. So what is the project title, who is the project investigator, and where did you implemented this project. Okay, and the date of commencement, when did you started, when did you complete it, and what is the planned completion day, and what is the actual completion date, and approved objectives of the proposal while submitting your proposal. Like initially you have to submit the proposal, and SCRB has to approve that. Based on that only you will be creating this report. Okay, so all these things you have to write it, and from here your exact introduction about your project comes in. So you have to tell about, for example, if you are doing a cross-functional project combining a computer science and a healthcare department, or combining computer science and agriculture. So you have to give your complete introduction to the field. For example, machine learning in agriculture. Then you have to tell about what is machine learning, and why machine learning is useful for the agricultural industry, and definition of the problem. So why did you choose this problem? And in the literature review, not only in SERB, in whatever the funding agencies you're going to submit the report, there should be an international status, national status, and the current status. Okay, so you have to tell about what is the international status of the particular problem, what is the national status of the problem, and what you have to do, like a current status you have to do it. Okay, and importance of the proposed project work, aim and the objective of the study. Then you can see that what is the material and methods, like where did you exactly find this data, so where did you find this, and everything you have to give the complete details. Since it's based on zoology, so they have given about the geographical location, where did they find it, what is the climate, what is the floral and faunal diversity, so everything they have given. So this you have to use it accordingly to your thing, because this report is publicly uploaded, so I'm just using this. So I cannot use a report which is very private, so you have to apply according to your domain and your project. Okay, so properly you have to give all the images. If the image is copied from anywhere, you have to give the proper credits to that. Okay, if it's a map, you have created some image, then it is fine. Okay, and you can just see that this is what the basic introduction about the ninth thing, that is introduction. Then they have given the results. Okay, so this is the how did you do the sample. Okay, like how many samples they have took, and what is the area they have used it to in order to get the results. Everything they have given, proper charts, proper graph, proper images has to be included. Okay, and they have given a clear table with a comparison. Okay, all these things are also the images, proper images. The image should not be blurred. Okay, image should not be of a bad pixel. Your image should be very clear. Okay, finally they have given about the results and the conclusion, so everything is clearly have to be clearly given here. And then finally the references, so that you should include at least 100 references. You have to refer at least 100 papers, so this is at least. Okay, finally they have added the appendix. Okay, so they have added the appendix here, like about the spaces, about the species, and then what are the benefits they have got it, and everything. And what is the article they have. You can also include your published article. If you have published something between this 2 years, 3 years, you can also publish it. Okay, so this is the complete information. This is the complete report, SERB report. You have to keep it. So if you have any further doubts regarding the research, you can just leave it the comment. I'll be definitely helping you out. Thank you. Take care. Bye.